So the pain that I had mentioned before that Microsoft had been seeing without Delphix, we're illustrating here, where if you imagine this is a data movement ETL pipeline, customers are either moving sensitive data all the way through, causing compliance risk. So that analyst at the end, he gets all the data he needs, but it is sensitive data that's been exposed, or it's entirely blocked or delayed from getting where it's needed. So you would have an analyst who instead just is waiting, is not able to provide as robust insights. And so just either the innovations that are blocked or just propagating risk through the system are really at the heart of what we were trying to solve here. So then with Delphix, you can imagine that same ETL pipeline, just now plugging our masking API service right in between the source and the target. You're able to now, whether it's in Azure Data Factory or any of the other Microsoft ETL pipelines, Fabric, Synapse pipelines, you can then find and mask sensitive data before it's moved. And I really like that because you just never have sensitive data that's been loaded on a target as you're waiting to mask it. Once it's delivered, it is safe for use. So as I mentioned, customers really like being able to move and mask data in a single pipeline. And what I didn't highlight is that it really doesn't have a big impact on pipeline runtime. So with that really fast performance, of course, there's time to read and write data that can take longer for a SaaS application than, I don't know, just a standard data lake, but still masking, you're not going to be slowed down by adding compliance to that pipeline. And then, of course, it's a SaaS offering, so that makes it much easier.